Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Kotim Khalisi. Today I'll be preparing my grandmother's ancient recipe hair oil. I've been using this oil for 10 years now. We need to find 7 kinds of herbs, so let's go. The first two plants are the most important one. They're highly useful but have got less recognition so far. Let me introduce you to Puankurnila, also known as little ironweed. This plant has got medicinal properties to prevent hair loss and to promote hair growth. It's a weed that grows in every backyard. I managed to find some of it in my vegetable garden. It's the second most useful but less recognized herb, and it's called Kayuni, also known as false daisy. False daisy has a natural hair growth promoter and it's effective against hair loss. Very useful for damaged hair, and it also prevents graying hair. So I'm all decked up for some herb hunting, and I must say this takes a lot of time and patience. I only managed to find one and then I gave up, went to seek some professional help. My grandmother found these herbs in no time because it's easily available in her backyard. Thanks to her for growing all these wonderful herbs, and she's the reason for my long hair. In no time, I found a lot of them thanks to her herb hunting skills because that saved a lot of time. This is my first herb hunting experience, and I must say, I'm very excited to make this magical oil along with my grandmother. After this, it's time to fetch the third item on the list, which is panikurka. Panikurka leaf extracts have powerful antibacterial properties and is effective against bacterial strains that are likely to ruin the health of the hair. We have a lot of them in our garden, so we managed to pluck few of them. Panikurka is also called Indian rock foil, and it's my personal favorite because of its aromatic leaves. The fourth item on the list is tulsi leaves. This is again very commonly available. We have a lot of them in our garden, and I managed to grab handful of them for the oil. Tulsi leaves benefit hair by rejuvenating the hair follicles and strengthening the roots, which in turn curbs hair loss. It also promotes circulation in your scalp and keeps it cool. If all your treatment for dandruff have failed, Tulsi has got your back. Tulsi benefits hair by controlling 4 types of fungal strain that may cause dandruff. I've got a bunch of Tulsi leaves here and I'm good to go. Next item on the list is hibiscus flower and its leaves. I managed to grab some flowers from my grandmother's place and some from my cousin's place. We must include hibiscus flowers and its dark green leaves into the mixture. This has been used in various home remedies to tackle issues like hair fall, dull and thinning hair, acne breakouts, fine lines, and wrinkles. It helps us with glowing skin and radiant hair. The leaf extracts helps in strengthening the root to reducing dullness and split ends. My cousin, Blessin, helped me a lot in getting these leaves. We need one last item, and it is neem leaves. Neem, known for its medicinal property, is an effective herb to treat hair loss. Due to its antibacterial, antifungal, and anti inflammatory properties, neem is an excellent way to curb dandruff. It helps the hair follicles to become stronger and also encourages hair growth. We had to go off road to get these leaves. It almost became dark, but we managed to get a handful of neem. I came back home and washed all the leaves thoroughly and laid them out on newspaper so they could dry quickly. I also added 2 aloe vera leaves from my garden. So here we have aloe vera, hibiscus leaf, panikurka, puam kurnil from my garden, kayuni, neem leaves, and tulsi. So that's one, two, three, four, five, six, 7 kinds of herbs into the oil. It's the next day morning. Mom helped me in grinding these leaves. We added few leaves along with aloe vera pieces into the grinder. We did not add any water because water dilutes the medicinal properties. After grinding it to a thick paste, we squeezed out the extract using a piece of clean cloth. We mix the extract to the cold pressed coconut oil, then boil at a certain temperature for a precise amount of time that it takes for the moisture content in the oil mixture to evaporate. If it is boiled for more than the precise time, oil tends to darken and burn away with the nutrients added to it from the leaves. And this is how my grandmother's ancient hair oil recipe is made.
Say thank you so much for watching our video. Like, share, subscribe, and do all that good stuff. Take care. Bye bye.